Hi, Control Trends community. This is Ken Smyers at the Realcomm IBCon 2019, and we are in an outstanding place to talk about something very, very interesting. I am with my uncle Agawi and Ted Simon, and they have got some fabulous things to tell us.
Thanks for having us here, Ken. I appreciate that. And yeah, we love the pods have been busy. It's absolutely amazing event.
It is.
Thanks.
Yeah, we're really glad to be here at Realcomm and IBCon, bringing in a little bit of Zen, bringing these quiet spaces that the attendees can make use of to conduct their business, make some phone calls. It's been great, and we really appreciate Lisa and Jim and the whole team for bringing us in here to help support the attendees.
Great. Yeah, I think I jumped the gun a little bit. Tell us what Zen Space is all about, where you came up with the concept, and what really incredible purpose it serves.
Well, you know, we live in economy when we are traveling with our phones. We are busy. We are, we are at airports, convention centers, whatnot. We are working out of a coffee shop. So a permanent office space or working out of a home is not necessarily it's a concept of past as flexible workspace is changing. So it was sitting in a coffee shop idea that how can I have a little private space of myself where I can actually pay some money to the coffee shop owner as well as get my privacy and quietness.
Sure.
And to conduct work, can I get Wi-Fi enabled, quiet and soundproof workspace, and that's the whole genesis of Zen Space. And we are looking at putting Zen Space pretty much in every airport, every convention center, all the coffee shops, also working with the shopping malls. So we are here in Nashville talking to many other commercial real estate companies.
Well, I can tell you personally that there's 2,500 people here, and there's a lot to do and a lot to see, and it's all condensed and compressed into a very short period of time. So that this Zen concept is really important, because I've got 1,000 things to do, but I only have 5 minutes to do it. I need a sanctuary. I need a place to go to, and I can actually get a whole bunch of work done and still get calm, peace of mind. Maybe I don't want to do anything. I just want 5 minutes of silence.
Yep.
So that serves it well. So, Ted, where do you see this fitting into the niche? We've got the convention centers, airports. Tell us a little bit more about the potential markets in this.
Well, we see a number of different markets that we can serve. Obviously, the public spaces like the airports, like the convention centers, any event venue where there's an accumulation, a congregation of a large number of business people, but also even in the financial centers around the country, major shopping areas, where any place where someone needs to be able to get some personal time, either conduct their business or have a meeting. Sometimes, particularly if you're away from your home, you're out of town, the ability to take our technology platform, which is really unique and distinctive, and identify, locate, schedule, and pay for time in one of our Zen Space pods is a really unique proposition. And you marry that technology with our hardware as a platform. It's like a fully enabled office away from home that's quiet, reserved, and you know that it's secure and it's there ready when you book it. I think there's lots of opportunities and applications, and we're excited to have customers, B2B customers, commercial real estate customers, come to us and tell us what their needs are, as well so that we can help them solve their needs and their problems.
That's awesome. So, Mike, how does somebody go about contacting your firm and initiate a potential use of your Zen Space? I mean, how do you go to market?
So for public venues, we are offering leasing and revenue share business model, and there are multiple revenue streams from the pods. You can actually make money from the usage fees. You can make money from the advertising. So we believe on a busy airport kind of location, it could be upward of $10,000 per month on a pod, which the revenue potential, and we are talking to several public locations like those. When it comes to offices, we have a product called ZenPod, which is not the smart version of our product, and you can actually buy those off the shelf from us, and we can actually we come and install them. So you're in an open office layout. You're looking for expansion. That's what we do. We can offer the ZenPod.
Well, awesome. And one more thing I want to go through, the technical capabilities you bring to a Zen Space. Tell us a little bit about that. I mean, is it an all-in-one office? You could have a meeting, you could have internet, you could charge you. Tell us a little bit about the appliances.
Yeah, well, this is actually, we call this a turnkey solution. So if you have a need for office space to conduct your business, you need power, you need a USB connection, you need a video monitor, We supply all of those. The pods are they're air circulated, so they stay cool. The control the lighting. We're going to be introducing a feature we call e-glass, smart glass, which will allow you to tint the glass windows so you can have more privacy. And I think the other thing that Mayank spoke about briefly was this is a turnkey solution. It helps anyone who has any commercial real estate, open space that's underutilized and not generating revenue. It provides them with a way to activate that space and turn it into not only a benefit of their venue, but also a revenue generator for their bottom line.
Yeah, this is a great place for conference people to come and relax, get their nerves back together, maybe answer some critical information or just relax.
Absolutely, and when they need space to conduct business, when they want to close a deal, then they find a Zen space here.
We like to call that getting your Zen on when you come into one of our pods. It's a totally different experience, and really focused, really quiet, and really private.
You might have
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's Jim Young. Jim.
Hey man, what are you doing here?
Good. So what do you think of the Zen space?
I needed a little bit of time out and check a few emails. Nothing like it. Nothing like it.
Awesome. So there you go. If you need an opportunity to get your mind back together, what better place to do it than a Zen space? Wow, you guys, if it works for Jim Young, it must be pretty potent.
Did you notice? He looked pretty relaxed. Don't you think?
Yep, absolutely.
I mean, imagine the stress and pressure he's going through. He put the whole darn show on together with his team. Okay, so how did Jim get in? Walk us through it.
It's easy. This is easier than even ordering an Uber. We have a mobile app, and you go to the app, and you look up the Zen space, and you identify a Zen space that you want to select. You scroll through and find the time. You hit the time, you put in some information, and it provides you with a Wi-Fi access code that allows you to then get secure access. You and only you have this pod booked for this period of time. Now I'm going to walk over here. I'll show you how that works. So I've got the access code. Excuse me for a second, Ken. So I simply just come right here. I touch the screen. I enter my access code. Access code is verified. Yep. That's it. It was open. There we go. Just got to work on it a little bit. And I'm in.
That's pretty cool.
Well, thanks, Ken. If you don't mind, it's been a long couple of days. I've been traveling all week. I got to zen out a little bit. Excuse me.
Thank you. So Mayank, I tell you what, I've been very impressed. It's an overwhelming, but very easy to understand because, I mean, it's becoming more and more important to stay professional, stay tight, and you need a place to go and get some Zen space. Yeah. So I just want to say I wish you all the world of success.
Thank you so much.
And then to see Jim Young, the proof's in the pudding.
Absolutely.
And I think the concept's a winner. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having us.
Okay.
Thanks.